Hi guys, it's Beth from Avery Home Search, and I just got a delivery. They're the end tables that I have that I'm doing for the bedroom that I'm redoing. I'm doing a makeover for, and I'm going to show you what the boxes look like, and we're going to unbox them. Hi guys, it's Beth from Avery Home Search, and today I'm expecting packages to complete one of the bedrooms that I'm in the process of staging, and I'm going to just show you everything as I get it in. That way when I do the reveal I won't have to go into a long video on where I got this and where I got that. So once you see the items in the room, you'll be able to say, okay, I saw that video and I know where that came from. Because when I do the reveal, I want to keep it short, just like I want to keep this video. So I got two end tables that's going to go in that room. It is from overstock.com. It's a 3-drawer mirrored end table and the color of champagne. Let me open it. I'm using a pair of Avery scissors because it was the fastest thing I was able to find. Okay. These boxes are so dirty off the truck. And let's see. So this is what's inside the box. The actual mirror. So they have a protective coating on it, I guess. And I'm gonna take it out the box so that you can see what it looks like. Ooh. Let's take the plastic off. Alright, so that's the end table. And I guess at some point I'll turn these knobs on the right side. So I guess they have them in here in place, so you just switch them over, unscrew them and reverse them. All in all, I like them. And I've got one more thing that came for the bedroom. Yeah, that's the end table that came from overstock.com, and this is also what I got for the bedroom. I don't know if you can see this. Let me take it out, the plastic, if I can. This is the actual bedding that I'm going to be putting. See if you can see that. It's a comforter that I got. It's a 7-piece. I got it from Kohl's, and it's a silver velvet type of material. So there you have it. So yeah guys, I've got everything now. I can actually say we're ready to start getting this room together. Over the weekend I'm gonna go to Sherwin-Williams and buy some paint. So I'm probably gonna take you along with me on that. And we'll be ready to paint. And if you wanna share that experience with me, I'll probably be live streaming some of it so that you can actually see it. And then finally, sometime next week, we'll have the reveal for the bedroom, and I will also have a DIY in between sometime next week, and look forward to seeing you guys soon. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed and you're new, welcome. Feel free to subscribe if you like this content, and if you are new, we welcome you and we support back. And of course, for you guys who always are there to support us, we appreciate you. And we will see you guys on the next one.